Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyid al-Anbiya'i wal Mursaleen wa ala alihi wa ashabihi wa zurriyatihi ajma'een, amma ba'd. Fa'a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. All praises to Allah, Lord of the world. Qazi Bayzawi rahimahullah mentioned the meaning of the word Rabb in his Tafseer, that الرب في الأصل بمعنى التربية وهي تبليغ الشيء إلى كماله شيئا فشيئا. The word Rabb signifies one who nature, and nature implies developing a thing by gradual stages in a manner which is conducive to its own good till it attains perfection. And the word Rabb is exclusive to the sacred being of Allah and cannot be employed in the case of any created being without adding some qualification. For a created being is itself in need of nature and cannot nature anyone else. And Alameen is the plural of Alam, means world, universe, kingdom. And the world includes all possible forms of existence: the earth, the sky, the sun, the moon, the stars, rain, wind, and of course man. So the Lord of all the worlds means that Allah alone gives nature to all forms of existence that are be found in this universe. And the second verse is Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. This second verse speaks of the divine quality of mercy, implying two adjectives, Rahman and Rahim, both of which are hyperbolic terms in Arabic, and respectively cannot the superabundance and perfection of divine mercy. Mufti Muhammad Shafi rahimahullah stated that the reference to this particular attribute in this situation is perhaps intended to be a reminder of the fact that it is not through any external compulsion or inner need or any kind of necessity whatsoever that Allah has assumed the responsibility of nurturing the whole of His creation, but in response to the demand of His own quality of mercy.